we'll start today's topic, rearrangement in carbocation. So dear student, first we see what is meant by carbocation. Carbocation is the intermediate having positive charge on carbon. There are three types of carbon. Primary carbon, that is 1 degree carbocation, 2 degree carbocation and 3 degree carbocation. And the stability order we know it is 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree. 3 degree carbocation is high stable in nature. Why? You can see here in 3 degree carbocation, 3 alkyl groups are present which having plus I effect and reducing the positive charge of this carbon. Okay, so the charge is reduced. That's why it is most stable carbocation. Okay, on the basis of hyperconjugation also we can explain the stability of these carbocations, and we know if number of alpha hydrogens are more, then alpha hydrogen atom, number of alpha hydrogen more, then stability also will be high of the compound. Now we'll see rearrangement in carbocation. The very first is 1,2 hydride shift. Why carbocation is rearranged? To get stability. Now the example is CH3CH, CH3CH2. This is 1 degree carbocation. This one is 1 degree carbocation. You can see here the positive charge species directly attached with one carbon atom. So it is 1 degree carbocation. Now what happened? To get stability, the H along with this bond, considered as H minus, and H minus is known as hydride ion. If goes to here, then what happen? If goes to here, here means it is carbon number 1 and the adjacent carbon is carbon number 2. Sufficient numbering is this. Positive charge carbon is 1 and the adjacent carbon is number 2. So if H along with this bond, that is in form of H minus, if it goes to CH2 plus, then what happen? Then CH3, C, CH3 and H minus shifted towards CH2, then now positive charge arises here and this CH2 converts into CH3. Now the carbocation, you can see it is 3 degree carbocation, and we know that 3 degree carbocation is high stable in nature. So this is known as 1,2 hydride shift. It is called 1,2 hydride shift. Now we take the second example, 1,2 methyl shift. The example is CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH2. Same example. In the place of H, we have taken CH3. Now what happened? This is 1 degree carbocation again. 1 degree. Why? Because positive charge carbon is directly attached with one carbon atom, single carbon atom. So it is 1 degree carbocation. Now what happened? See, if this positive charge is satisfied by this CH3 minus, if CH3 along with the bond migrates towards CH2 positive, then what happens? Then it goes in the form of CH3 minus, which is also be known as methide. Okay, methyl or methide means CH3 in form of minus charge. Then what happens? Then compound converts into CH3, CCH3, CH3. This CH3 along with bond migrates towards CH2. Then what happens? Positive charge arises here and this convert into CH2, CH3. So what is this? Now it is 3 degree carbocation or not? Yes, definitely it is 3 degree carbocation. Why? Because positively charged carbon directly attached with 3 carbon atoms. So it is tertiary carbocation and high stable in nature. So carbocation arranged in this manner. Now third type of arrangement or rearrangement of carbocation is ring expansion. Ring expansion. Why ring expansion occurs? Because of angle strain, and the angle strain is maximum in 3-membered ring, then 4-membered ring, then 5-membered ring, and minimum in 6-membered ring. So 6-membered ring is the high stable in nature. So what happened in ring expansion? Ring means if it is 4 carbon, then it converts into 5 carbon ring, and if of 3 carbon, then it converts into 4 carbon ring. Now we see the ring expansion concept. Dear students, this is carbocation or not? Yes, definitely. Why? Because the positive charge is present on this carbon atom, which directly attached to the cyclic ring, and this is known as CH2, and this one is CS3. What happened here? Here two ways of rearrangement are possible. One, if CS3 in form of CS3 minus goes to here, then it is known as 1,2-methyl shift, and what happened? It converts into this type of carbocation, this CH2 now balanced because of this CS3 minus and positive charge present on this carbon atom. Okay? And the second way is this bond of the cyclic ring goes to CH2 plus, then what happens? Then the condition becomes like this. Here CS3 is present as it is. Now on the CH2, this bond directly migrates. Now the positive charge of CH2 is vanished, and the positive charge comes on this carbon atom. So this condition is formed. Okay? Systematically, this ring can be represented as, this is a 5-membered ring, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and positive charge is present here where CS3 also attached. Okay? So this is the example of ring expansion, and this is the example of 1,2-methyl shift, which is high stable. Definitely ring expansion is high stable. Why? Because here in case of 4-membered cyclic ring, angle strain is high, so it is unstable in nature. But in case of 5-membered ring, angle strain decreases, so compound becomes high stable. Thank you so much.